What it do, YouTube? My name is Arthur, back again with another Trianguler crypto arbitrage video. So in this video, you've already read the title, so the thumbnail, and we're just gonna take a look at Trianguler crypto arbitrage opportunities and stuff like that. And we're gonna try to find these Trianguler crypto arbitrage opportunities, and of course take a live trade whereby I'm gonna show you how exactly you can do this step by step on KuCoin crypto exchange. So without further ado, guys, just jump right into it without wasting any time. As you can see, I've already logged in to the scanner that's going to help me to find these Trianguler crypto arbitrage opportunities. So just gonna go to the scanner right here and put the password so that we can scan these opportunities, and then we're going to take a live trade and stuff like that. So let's do this. Boom. So of course right here, you already know the steps. You have to select the crypto exchange that we're using. So you can see that the scanner has got a bunch of crypto exchanges. If you're using OKX, you can scan Trianguler crypto arbitrage opportunities from OKX, as well as Huobi, Get.io, Kraken, Binance, and stuff like that. And of course, if you are in the US, you can use Coinbase right here and stuff like that. So it has pretty much all the exchanges, including Luno and Vala and everything, right? Depending on your crypto exchange that you want to scan for Trianguler crypto arbitrage opportunities from. So in this case, I've got some funds on KuCoin, right? So I'm just gonna search for KuCoin right here, and then right here I have to put the amount that I want to trade with. So this is the most important question, because a lot of you asking me what's the minimum or how much can I start with and stuff like that. Let's just say from 50 ST going upwards, that's the minimum, and you can trade with any amount and stuff like that. So in this case, I'm just gonna go ahead with 100 because that's what a lot of you like to trade with, and I want to see the at least top 7 Trianguler crypto arbitrage opportunities that are available on KuCoin. And this just leave it like this. Should be 3, max should be 1000, and these are settings for auto trading. And the video is coming after this video. I'm gonna make it the auto trading video, whereby you're gonna see the scanner executing trades in real time on KuCoin by using API key and secret key and stuff like that. So right here, obviously have to disable the auto trading feature. It should be disabled because we are scanning for all of these opportunities manually, right? So after putting all the settings and everything, just gonna go ahead and click apply. Oh, here right here says it should be more than 10, so let's just put 10 like this, right? And then we're just gonna go ahead and click apply, and then it's scanning. It'll give us opportunities right here. So as you can see, these are the opportunities that we found. First one being USDT to BTC, then BTC to Solana, then sell Solana to USDT, and it has at least 9.6%. And second one, same as this one right here, BTC to ETH, then ETH USDT 7%. So I guess we're just gonna take a first one because it's the opportunity that has got a lot of percentage, and it's gonna give us a lot of profit at this moment. So we're just gonna take a first one and take a live trade on KuCoin. And you already know that the time should be at least 4 minutes to 6 minutes minimum to take advantage of this trade. So let's just jump right into it on my phone. Therefore, I'll send my phone. All right, so now we're in my phone. As you can see, I've got a 100 USD right here, and this is the funds that we're gonna use in this video, right? So first thing first, it says we must have some BTC. So we're gonna jump into where it's written trade right here and click convert, right? So we're gonna have to convert this 100 USD to BTC. So it's gonna be USDT on top and BTC on the bottom, right? And gonna click max right here and gonna get this amount of BTC, and then we're just gonna go ahead and click confirm just like this. All right, and then now we have this amount of BTC in our wallet, so we can go back now, and then we're gonna have to convert the BTC to Solana. All right, BTC to Solana. So we're gonna search right here. Oh, it's already here, meaning that people are taking advantage of this arbitrage opportunity that we got. So we're just gonna go ahead and click max like this, and then click convert, and then click confirm. Now I've got some Solana right here. So we're gonna have to jump to the trade and then sell the Solana to USDT, and then you're gonna see how much money we make and stuff like that. So we're gonna go ahead and click back like this, and then we're gonna also click back again, and then right now we're on trade right here. So we're gonna have to sell the Solana, right? We're gonna have to search for Solana right here, so like this, and then we're gonna select this one, sold to USDT, and then we're just gonna go ahead and click 100% and use a limit order and click 100% of course, and sell it to what? To USDT. Now you can see that we have got some USDT. Let's see how much we made. As you can see right here, we made 108 USDT, and we started with 100 USD in this account and stuff like that. So Trianguler Crypto Arbitrage is very, very simple, and you just have to follow the steps provided by the scanner and stuff like that. So with Trianguler Crypto Arbitrage, you're only taking advantage of price difference and stuff like that on an exchange. So if you want to understand Trianguler Crypto Arbitrage, on this channel I made a full video talking about Trianguler Crypto Arbitrage, how it works and stuff like that in detail, and I'm gonna leave a link to that video in the description below as well. You can also check right here on my assets. You can see that successfully sold our Solana, and right now we ended up having 108 worth of USDT right here. So this is it. My name is Arthur. The link to the scanner is going to be in the description below as well. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.